Farting. Releasing gas from the digestive system through the anus. Coughing. Forceful clearing of throat or airways. Breathing. The sound of air moving in and out of the lungs. Snoring. Loud noises during sleep due to blocked air passages. Sneezing. Sudden expulsion of air to remove irritants. Yawning. Involuntary deep breath, often when tired or bored. Hiccup. Sudden diaphragm contraction producing a hic sound. Burping. Expelling air from the stomach through the mouth. Sighing. Deep breath expressing relief or frustration. Joint cracking. Popping sound when moving joints. Stomach growling. Rumbling sounds from movement of gas and fluids in the stomach. Swallowing. Moving food or liquid from mouth to stomach. Tooth grinding. Clenching or grinding of teeth. Sniffing. Inhaling through the nose to smell or clear nasal passages. Vomiting. Forceful expulsion of stomach contents through the mouth. Heartbeat. Regular rhythmic pumping of the heart. Growling. The man growled like a fierce animal.